just getting ready to do a mission tomorrow up on Baker, and just getting some stuff prepped. Got my kit back there, as you can see, and we'll kind of go through it piece by piece, see what I'm carrying. Pretty light last time, so pretty stoked on the selection that I've got, and we'll have a look. So I got a small first aid kit, probably bigger than most people, but I got a CPR mask in there. That's one of the bulkier items. This here is a repair kit, lightweight helmet, ice axe, crampons. The ice axe and crampons are both aluminum, so it's pretty light, feels pretty good when it's all in the pack. Obviously skins. Okay, with the skins, got a scraper, and in the blue bag is some skin wax. I've pre-treated the skins before this mission, so hopefully that works, but I got a little bit extra there and a small multi-tool. Ski crampons for the board. Got my hard boot bindings, a couple pairs of gloves, got a lighter pair for when it's warmer, and a thicker pair for when it's colder. Just some sunscreen, some of the electronics here, along with the sunglasses, beacon, inReach Mini with a spare battery and a charging cord. Lightweight ski mountaineering harness, so pretty lightweight. Definitely some lighter weight options out there, but that one's pretty comfortable if you need to hang in it. You know, the other ones that are lighter are definitely going to be a lot less comfortable. In this old skin bag, I've got a 60-meter Rad Line. Okay, so full 60-meter cord in there. Since we're going to be traveling on the Glacier, I've been rolling with my 320-centimeter probe. Just offers a lot more range and distance if I need to probe for crevasses, lips of cornices, or anything like that. My 240 works as well, but just doesn't quite have the range that the 320 has. I like to use that on the Glaciers. Big beefy shovel. It'd be nice to have a little bit lighter one for this. It's a piece I have not whittled down quite yet. For goggles, I've got a sunny lens and a low light lens. So just straight up clear lens. Probably won't need it because we're going up into a pretty stellar forecast, but I like to have it just in case in the Northwest it gets pretty foggy. Okay, my other lens is my brighter lens here, just for sunshine. So just have a spare one there, and a plastic bag to keep them dry. Again, probably don't need it for the forecast that we got. Additional rescue equipment. Single screw. If I was, I might consider bringing another one in certain circumstances, but in the group we'll have more than one, so I'll just take one. Got like a 7-meter, 6-millimeter cordelette, a micro traction, and a hollow block, which works okay with the thin cord, so it's something to be aware of. And then a double length 120 centimeter Dyneema cord with 2 non-locking carabiners. So in any crevasse rescue scenario, it's a pretty low likelihood situation, but I certainly can do quite a bit with that. And if I have to rappel or do anything like that, that's plenty of equipment to do that. With the skinny cord for the Rad Line, I do use this specific carabiner. Just it offers a lot of good friction on a munter rappel, so just the shape of that carabiner really helps. Okay. for his boots and the splitter.